Early morning dog park visit. Can you get off the road, please? My friend's saying hi. There's a few new dogs in the dog park this morning. You want to go in, Chopper? Biddy, you want to go in? That's a yes. Vinny, what? Hang on. Take these off. Just wait. Take this off. It's very wet. They're your friends. Just wait. Stella in the store. Good morning. He's not sure. He's still not sure.
When they just walked in, they're sussing everything out.
Yeah, but because she went into that stalk.
That stand.
Yeah, he was like, whoa, what is that? Puppies?
Yes.
Yeah, they are. This is what, I didn't do with him.
Yeah.
That he should have been in here as a puppy. Yes,
Yeah.
Better and better. Yeah, definitely.
He might have his moments or whatever, but no.
It's a puppy, Chopper.
It's only tiny.
She's a baby. How old?
She's 4 months.
4 months. Beautiful. Good morning. Good morning. Got a couple of new puppies.
Yeah.
Look at this one, beautiful.
How old are they? 4 months and 7 months.
How old's yours?
Just turned 2.
Yeah. So cute.
Pepper, no. She'll grumble.
Yeah, same with him. What's the difference? Uh-huh. Okay.
Morning.
Morning. How are you?
That's a baby.
Is this yours? The black one?
Tessa, yes.
Tessa.
Yes.
Oh, they won't stop coming here.
I don't know why he had a go at Tessa. Why did he tell her to go?
Oh,
Who knows?
Tessa was just being noisy.
Just a grumble.
Just,
Oh. See, he's still learning that. Oh, dogs will just come running up to me, and it's okay. Not a big deal. Nah.
Bitsy, a bit of a grumble.
Yeah.
But it's not in order.
Yeah. So apparently, yeah. I haven't seen her for a while. I haven't seen what's her dad's name? Brenton. Always get it wrong.
He's got a little white patch on top
Yeah,
of his legs.
yeah. Look at this baby. Yeah, they're both girls.
All right, if they all ran in the one direction.
Look at Stella go. Just having a nice run. I've actually not seen Stella have a little run like that. She's normally very stoic, just kind of hangs back and watches.
No, it's good to see her.
Look at her go. All right, maybe that might encourage Chopper to have a little run around. Do you go to any other dog parks, Louis, or just this one?
Not really, no.
Just this one?
Very rarely or occasionally. There's the one, you know, that there's an oval on Police Road.
Yep.
I've
Oh yeah, the kangaroos.
been there a couple
Have you
of
seen kangaroos on that one?
times. No,
Oh, that yeah. I used to take him there, and yeah, the kangaroos come out of nowhere.
no.
That's all
The
open.
sports
Oh,
side,
the
opposite
sports. Yep.
Opposite the cemetery. You must be thinking of another place.
Police road. Oh. Okay. Yep. No, I was thinking of the police paddocks.
The police paddock. Oh yeah, no, that's plenty of room.
Yeah,
down
plenty
there.
of roos. Yeah. No, I know the one. It's just a like
Sports, a footy
footy
oval or
oval. Yeah.
something, yeah.
Yeah.
You know, 'cause I live closer to that. I drive past that.
Oh, to come here.
So if I haven't taken them out and straightened the arm, I might
Yeah.
take them there, but it's different. Different people.
A lot smaller dogs there, I think. They're like the
Oh, there's a
little.
mix,
mix.
but I don't know. It's just it's different, Rosie. There,
Okay.
you know. They see the shepherd a lot.
Oh yeah.
You know, that racism thing, you know.
Oh,
They
okay.
can work out
Yeah.
on Chopper, yeah.
Oh, no, they
you
would.
know, yeah.
Yeah.
And like, you know, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't.
Yeah. Fair enough.
Necessity.
Yeah.
I come here pretty much every day.
Yeah, yeah, it's good. I'm going to start doing the same. I'm going to start coming at different times as well. It's time for him. I'm confident now that he's just communicating.
Yeah.
And he communicates in his way. He doesn't want to hurt.
No, but
He-
it's just because he's a big boy,
Big boy,
because
yeah.
he looks like that. And if he growls at us, people think, oh my God.
Yeah,
like, you know,
yeah, he's aggressive.
He could just be saying, hey, I'm here,
Yeah.
let's play.
Yeah.
Like, you know.
yeah,
Serious.
I know.
But yeah, no, it's generally
Yeah, yeah,
look at your occasion or whatever, but most of the time it's nothing anyway.
yeah.
People overreacting. You know.
Yeah. There's
And the
stuff.
other thing is, you've got a good dog like that, and then his companions
Yeah, 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 yeah. You don't know how much I appreciate you for understanding and for helping me get through because it takes these kind of conversations.
That gives you the confidence to know that.
Yeah, yeah,
I'm glad to do it.
yeah,
It's good to see. He's very good.
yeah,
There's nothing wrong with him. But, these things have senses and feelings we don't
yes,
understand. Right?
yes,
So when someone's already got that wall up, oh shit, oh,
yeah,
oh,
yeah,
what's wrong? Shit, something's wrong. Oh shit, something's
Yeah.
wrong. Oh.
yeah. Yep.
Those puppies are beautiful.
Nina's stick is about 6 foot long. So they can all take off.
Didn't she just have one?
Tess is trying to get them to run, I suppose. Come on, let's go. Go.
Looks at him and it's like, why aren't you chasing me? Where's Chopper?
Oh, he's down there. She just putting the puppy in order.
My stick.
Oh, Vinny's doing a poo all the way down there. Bless. Vinny's doing a poo, isn't he, mate? Well, that went really well. I'm going to hang around here for a bit. We normally do 20 minutes in the dog park. These dogs are really good. They're playing, so I want Chopper to just get used to dogs running in and around his direction and him just become indifferent to it. Like he doesn't have to be so much on guard. So I'll hang around here. I'll end this, pick up Vinny's poo, and head back to the crowd. It's a huge dog park, so you can always create space, distance. But yeah, it was good. He did well. More puppies.